Good morning. So this morning I got up at 5 a.m. and went on my walk and then had my breakfast and then actually got changed into appropriate gardening gear. No thongs. And I decided that if I had like 15 minutes before the baby wakes up for the day, that I can get cracking into the garden. Okay, look at this. As you come out the back door, the succulent garden is quite a disaster. Hello, Leah. So this is grassland.
Mommy, can put out on me. Can put out on me. Can put out on me.
Yep.
Mommy, look at how much I pulled out. Mommy, where's my... I need to take the board out.
It is now much later in the day and I've got another few minutes to work in the garden, and I'd like to kind of talk to you about a challenge that I tend to have when I'm gardening. So I'll look at it and be like, yeah, I can totally do this. 15 minutes a day, easy. But then you start noticing something over on the other side, and then, oh, there's some big weeds, they'd be easy to pull out, and you'd go from, or I would go from one area to another area, and then I'd end up with all these little pockets of stuff done but nothing done at the same time. So I'm really trying to focus this time on completing as much as I can, one area at a time, and cleaning up as I go, which is what I do in the house. So I don't know why in the garden I just become a totally different person. So I'll keep working away, and if I have something else riveting to share, I will share it. So this is the area that I started working on this morning. It was full of very, very high weeds. I found various broken pottery and hair clips and bits of plastic and Lego in there, but I have cleared that out a lot.
Mommy, I'm losing my hand. Thank
See
you,
this
Mom.
stuff?
Can I get the grass out?
And this stuff? So.
Oh, we are so sorry. Where's the grass? This is the grass. Is this the grass?
That's roots. You can put that in.
Actually, I got it. Thank you, Mommy. Mommy. Thank you, Mommy. That's another. My gloves. My gloves, Mommy.
Your gloves?
I ran off.
It's time for bed, Leah.
Oh,
To now.
Mommy.
So we're going to put the gloves here.
Hey, Mommy, can I have a break? There is sunny. No, Mommy.
Thank you for your help. Okay, so this is my progress so far for today. We've hit 28 degrees and we're expecting a high of 34. So, oh my goodness, totally rolled my ankle. So I actually, even though this looks fantastic compared to earlier, there's still a lot of grass roots and weeds and stuff like that all throughout here. So that is most likely all I'll get done today, but I can just come back again tomorrow and make more progress.